It's not necessarily market selection. You guys are afraid of saturation. Every market's saturated by bedroom count. Not every market is saturated at every single bedroom count. But if you nail the right bedroom count and the right location and the right proximity, and you don't understand what your buyer wants, then you're gonna swing and you're gonna miss. So when this property here said it was gonna do $98,000 a year in revenue, and I have that from a marketability standpoint, I have the proximity that I can literally be standing here with the Traeger grill that's right behind you, smoking a brisket and almost figuratively casting a fly line into that river to catch fish. That's proximity. That gives me some pretty insane marketability, from fly fishing, views, the fire pit, taking in, the Aurora Borealis, which is, full solar flares tonight and tomorrow night if this cloud cover goes away, in the geodome for all seasons, even in the dead of winter, sitting in the hot tub, enjoying a glass of wine, staring at the view, the sunset, same with a strategically placed barrel sauna. So it's taking and maximizing what people really want. Understanding the value of a pool and amenities, and the value of a geodome, and the value of a sauna and a hot tub, and my milkshake bar, and my coffee bar, and all those things that I put into a property to make it a super property is where a lot of you are getting it wrong. When I'm buying properties, and the reason that my success rate is at 99%, the reason that I do over $1 million in net income off my portfolio with only 13 properties, 13, not 250 doors, not 100, because you don't need those many if you can maximize your return on investment. And to do that, you really have to know what your buyer, what your ideal guest wants. And they want to be outside. That's why you need to invest into the outdoor experience. I've got the nicest grass. If you can see the grass behind me, I have True Green here, and my neighbors think I'm fucking crazy to pay for True Green out here. And then I get it, that should be natural and that type of stuff, but I want the outside to be the experience, because that's why people are coming here. That's why people are going to Big Resort. That's why Ski In, Ski Out does so well. And being 2 tiers, 3 tiers back to where you have to get on a shuttle, you have to walk uphill with your snowboard or your skis, doesn't work so well. That's why those of you that invested in Gulf Shores or Panama City Beach or Hilton Head or Myrtle Beach, and you're 3 or 4 streets or houses away from the beach, or you could be tier 2 right across the street, but beach access is a block away in Panama City, and literally that family of 4 with their friends and family, you give them 1 beach cart and they need 8 chairs, and they're lugging chairs, and they got the Yeti ice chest that's 50 pounds, the kids in tow, and they got to walk 15 houses down to get to that beach entrance. They may stay with you 1 time, but I promise you the second time they're coming back to look for closer proximity.